How to transfer money to bank account on Venmo. Need to transfer money from your Venmo account to your bank? It's easy. This video shows you how to do it in under 60 seconds. Open the Venmo app or website and make sure you're on the home screen. Look for the icon representing your balance. It might be a dollar sign, or you can just click on balance next to a number. On the balance screen, you'll see options to transfer or manage money. Tap transfer. You will see two options for transferring: standard, free, and instant, faster but with a fee. Choose standard for a free transfer that takes 1 to 3 business days, and choose instant if you need the money in your bank account right away. But remember that a fee applies here in this case. Enter the amount you want to transfer from Venmo to your bank. Double check the amount for accuracy and confirm the bank account you want to transfer the money to. That's it. You've initiated the transfer from your Venmo balance to your bank account. You'll receive a notification when the transfer is complete. Standard transfers are free but take longer. Instant transfers are faster but come with a fee. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Venmo tips and tricks.